Like they go see everybody. I mean, street. They go see the clip. Like, who is that? Who did your makeup? What's the name? She got her own business. What's the name of your business?
I got my business name for my jewelry, but I don't have a business name for the makeup.
Well, I mean, I'll be just name your business.
Stephanie's Finest Costume Jewelry.
Say the camera.
Stephanie's Finest Costume Jewelry. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I love that sis, man. I love her. She's so fly. Yeah. Don't walk away. That would be real dickhead. Like, I'm not sitting outside again. Like, oh, God, this nigga be heated. Alright, let me take this camera because maybe he'll dance or something while you know what I'm saying. Man, way too much fun beating me up, baby.
We have to be careful with this one. Alright.
Oh, the pump this?
Yeah.
That's the latex?
No. I already put the latex on.
Oh.
Be careful. Careful. Don't put no powder on your shirt. Don't put no powder on your shirt. Don't put no powder. Because I don't want any type of white showing through here.
How we looking?
Still rough.
Looks like it's starting to come together.
Not yet.
Oh, just put this down. The lid.
Okay.
You know what? Can this easy wipe out, right?
Let's wipe it off now.
You know, Todoroki, he don't got no brown spots on his pants.
Okay, this is what we can do. Spit into this. Wait, before, I got even better idea. Okay. Wipes.
Hey, there we go.
I got it.
That's a little close to my, yeah, good.
You keep scrubbing, I keep makeup in. Bars.
I mean, you ain't rhyme, but yeah, sure.
Freestyle.
Some kind of bar. It's something.
Okay, we want to be careful with that. Not for you, but for the makeup.
Wow. That's how you feel.
Alright, do you want like a lot of red? Not necessarily for like blood, but like
Just the scar.
yeah, because since like his scar is more red than just like scar. I just thought, so I was thinking it was like how people on Instagram and like beauty YouTubers and whatnot, they say you can't rush beauty, but now I'm thinking you can't rush ugly.
Wait, that's funny. No, I was right to think about what you were saying. You think Todoroki ugly?
I mean, he's not ugly. It's just like I meant the scar. Ugly.
Got you.
Yeah. He's a fictional character for one.
Hey, you know, there's a lot of these anime fans that be crushing on fictional characters.
Really? Okay, I kind of understand it because I have a crush on DCAMU Batman.
Not just Batman, a specific type of Batman.
Yes.
You said DCEAU?
DCAMU. DC Animated Universe.
Got you. Everyone try to copy off of MCU. It's cool. Everyone want to beat MCU, but they can't beat MCU. Everybody want to beat MCU, but they can't beat MCU. You know what I should have said? I should have been on some cocky hip hop stuff. Everybody want to be BTP, but they can't be BTP. Oh, okay. You're just gonna interrupt my whole thing. Okay.
It's like something about me. So something I noticed about myself is like when I'm in like a group of people.
So
it's not mean. It's not mean.
No, not just the, you know, it's not just camera. It's still got audio. So
I know it's not personal. Okay. But I know it's like when I'm around like a group of people, I feel my brain is in the moment, but me personally, like outside, my outer body is not in the moment. So it's just like.
No, that's me too sometimes. I think that's probably the introvert in you. It's just like you're physically there because you know kind of have
mentally,
to be.
Oh yeah.
But mentally, you just everywhere else.
Well, I'm physically here and kind of like I meant like for instance when TJ and them was singing. In my mind, I was singing too, and kind of like being part of the group. But physically, no.
I was trying to get you to say, I'm like, you watch SpongeBob, you should be a part of it.
No.
Sound like they rapping now. I was trying to get some B-roll footage of them before they just whatever. Just going to order me, they just put their credit series for me.
I think they just explore. I need.
So what?
I'm talking to myself.
Wait, I'm trying. Okay, let me channel my inner Todoroki. Wait. I'm about to look at the camera real quick.
Alright, go.
It's not too much. Got him. What do you think, Steph?
What?
Think I got Todoroki down?
I mean, he smirk every now.
Oh, you right. Let me smirk. You ready? You ready for my smirk?
Yeah.
Here we go. This is me smirking.
Well, just introduce.
Get home, bro. This place will be.